Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Richard N, and today we're going to explore a powerful real estate directory or platform which is known as Zillow. And on today's aspect of our exploration, we are going to learn how to actually extract leads from Zillow.com. And as you know, Zillow is a very powerful business platform, especially for real estate, maybe for real estate developers, real estate brokers, maybe even individuals that are trying to get their homes sold. This is where it all happens, and you can just imagine the kind of potential leads that exist on this wonderful platform. And so, if you're a business owner, if you are maybe a marketing lead, if you are an internet marketer, if you're a lead generation expert, or you are just beginning your career as a lead person, I'm going to teach you how to generate your first leads on Zillow. And this time we're going to use just only one tool. And so I'm going to ask you to pay some attention so you can learn how this is done. So in order to extract leads from Zillow, you're going to first of all be on the Zillow website, and when you're on Zillow website, you're going to have an account, a Zillow account. Of course, this account is very easy to create. You can create this account with your Gmail, with your Yahoo Mail, you know, every other email provider you have out there. And once you've done that, the next thing you're going to do is to proceed to installing a Google Chrome extension known as Leads. Zillow Scraper. So let us get to Zillow Scraper so we can step this properly. So right now you see I've searched for Zillow Scraper, and right here we have it. So you're going to go ahead and click on the first result as soon as you search on Google page. So now this is it. This is the Zillow Scraper page, and the next thing we're going to do is to click on Add to Chrome. As soon as you click on Add to Chrome, you're going to find the Add extension popping up, and then you're going to click it. Now, as soon as you've done that, the system will download the plugin, and see it's already downloaded and now installed. But then we have to go back and click on our extensions feature, and then we have to pin Zillow Scraper to the extension dashboard. And having done that, it is now time to perform our lead extraction using Zillow Scraper. And to do that, we have to go back to lead. Now, what I want to say here is that for you to be able to, extract leads properly, you have to work, with some directives. And as you can see here, we have enter an address, neighborhood, city, or zip code. This means that whenever you want to mine some leads, or whenever you want to generate some leads, it should be based on a particular or on a certain kind of uh, maybe information or maybe criteria. Let's say you live in Texas and you want to generate leads for people in Texas. So we can say, okay, let's just enter Texas. Yeah, so you see, we have Dallas, we have Austin, we have Houston, and then we have Texas City. So we can actually enter any of these cities here, and then it's going to be able to generate leads from this particular city. So let us enter Texas City. You see, it's loaded, and now we have this page where every home that is listed on Texas City is on display. Now, the next thing you're going to do here is, since your Zillow Scraper is already on your extension dashboard, what you do is you click on it. Now, when you click on it, it's going to ask you to log in with Google. And in order to be able to log in, you have to log into any of your Gmail accounts. So we click on login with Google, and then you're just going to have to wait for it to fetch your account, because I have my account right here on. Now I'm here, you can see now this is where I'm going to select my Gmail account so that I can perform the extraction. So I'm going to select my Gmail account, which is this one, and it's going to come up, and once it's come up, you see this one has already responded, so I'm going to work with that. This has already responded, so now I've connected my Gmail account to my Zillow scraper, and then the next thing is to do what is to perform the extraction or the lead extraction properly. Now, this is the only feature you're going to need to perform lead extraction using Zillow scraper. So how do you do this? You just simply click here. As soon as you click on start extracting, you're going to see as the scraper would behave. You are going to observe some certain things here, and just for 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 clearance sake, we are using the trial version of Zillow Scraper, so it's a little bit limited. There are not much things that we could do with this, as bulk of the functionalities are left for those that are paying members. So I'm just going to do this. Make sure you zoom in on your Zillow page when you want to perform this extraction. So let's carry on with the extraction. So I'm going to click on Zillow, and then it's going to say start extracting. So I'm going to click start extracting, and you're going to see it's showing extracting. Now it's showing 41 results, it's showing me pause, it's showing me reset. So what you want to focus your attention on is the extracting, which is now at 82 results. And then when you feel you are okay, or when the thing is, if you are using the pro version, when it has gotten to the end of everything you have, when it has extracted all, what you're going to do is to say, okay, pause. Now, when you say pause or you say reset or whatever, but because you need the list, you want to just say, okay, uh, you go straight to export 25 out of 176, because we are having the trial version. So as soon as you click on this export, you are going to click on CSV, but then it depends on what you really want to work with. Some people can say I want maybe an Excel spreadsheet. Some people can say no, I just want a CSV. So you click on CSV, and then it's going to export the leads extracted from Zillow. So if you open this list now, you are going to be you're going to be seeing an Excel sheet containing everything you have extracted from this Zillow page. Don't forget, the Zillow page or the city we are working on is Texas City, which is another city inside of Texas. So if you open this now, you're going to find there has been 25 lists extracted from Texas City, and these are all on Zillow. So now what this means is that if you were using the premium version of this software, if you had the premium version, it would have been able to extract as many leads as possible from this Zillow. Well, just because we are using the free version, we are going to stop here for today. So now that you've learned how to do this, I'm going to encourage you to keep checking back on our channel to know or to see our new videos, and make sure you subscribe so that you can get updated whenever we post our new videos. My name remains Richard N, and I'll see you in the next video.